Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm putting together a cute, simple chocolate look. I wanted to do a full-on chocolate look, and I haven't been able to give you guys like a full-on look on my channel, a fall look. So I'm going to get that done. Alright, so I have not done my brows on camera in a really long time. So I'm going to keep some of that footage in. It just takes so long and my battery starts to die, so... But I have a brow tutorial coming soon. I also have a video on how I maintain my eyebrows in between waxes. So if that's up already, make sure you go check that out. If not, look for it in the future. I'm using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, which y'all already know how I feel about this. I do want to try the Fenty one, but we'll see. Alright, so now that my eyebrows are done and I have my lids primed with the same concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take my Dose of Colors Desi x Katie Frinkation palette. This is like one of my favorite palettes ever, and I know it's like kind of basic, but I love this palette, and I especially love the warm tones in this, which I was not expecting when I bought it. I expected to be obsessed with these, but no, the mattes are bomb. So I think I'm going to use this deeper chocolate in the palette. It is called Cheens, I think. Yeah, it's called Cheens. It's the most chocolate shade in the palette. And I'm just really, like, this look is really easy. I'm going to take this and put it all over my lid. So I'm actually going to go in with my Morphe M513 brush. And it's new, so no worries. Okay, so that's really all that I'm doing right now for the eyes. I told you, super simple. We're going to move on to the face. And I think for primer today, I'm going to use this VDL Lumelayer primer. I got this a while ago. I don't remember from where, but I like it. I just don't use it that often, but it's a good primer. I'm going in next with foundation. I'm going to use a hydrating foundation today because it is very cold and dry outside. So I'm using the NARS in Macau, the Naturally Radiant foundation. I'm using the Morphe M439 brush. I don't know why today this looks kind of light. Let me turn off my light and make sure it's not me and maybe it's my lights. I think it was that other light throwing me off a bit. Sometimes things appear different. My lights. Okay, next I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm using, I think I'm going to use the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Cocoa. Again, because I'm going for a chocolatey look, so my contour is not going to be that neutral. It's going to be more warm. So I'm just going to use a little bit. And this shade would not work for my like super contour look because it's not dark enough. But they did come out with a deeper shade, chocolate shade called, I think it's called Ganache. Ganache. And that would actually be a better contour shade if you were like trying to do like a real contour, like a neutral shadowy look. But I today am just trying to warm up the outside, especially because this foundation seems light. So I'm gonna do that, blend that out, and this is the Anastasia A30 brush. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 370. Oh, I didn't know I had a 370. 370, and I'm going to highlight a little bit. Not too much, not too much. Okay, now that she's all highlighted, I'm gonna go ahead and put some bronzer on, I think. Is that the next step? I think so. I'm gonna use this Kylie Tawny Mommy bronzer, which is one of my OG favorites for a long time. Since I am coming off of my summer tone, I can go back down to the Kylie's bronzer, which is a little bit more neutral than the Benefit. As you can see, I went a little more overboard with the bronzer today because I do want that nice chocolatey Hershey Kisses look. Because I'm not putting on any, I don't think I am. I'm not putting on any highlighter. Just don't want it. Okay. So off camera real quick, I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'm using my Kiss chiffon lashes, and I'm going to also put on some mascara. I'm going to use the Milk Kush mascara, and then I'll come back on to finish the lower lashes. I think I'm forgetting. I need some setting powder. Hold on, we didn't set the face. Let's get some setting powder out. I'm using Huda's Easy Bake in Kunafa, and I'm going to use a brush to set today just because I don't want it to be too dry under here. Okay, now lashes and mascara. And my lashes, they not working with me today. But we're just gonna keep pushing through. I'm trying out today this KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade Nude 3. This is the deepest nude shade she has. And it's not that expensive either. I think it's cheaper than MAC, so that's not a bad deal. I got this during Ulta sale. My Ulta haul will be up probably before this, if not, be on the lookout for it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and line the lips with this. Ooh, this is deep. It's got more red in it than I thought. Now I'm going in with this ColourPop and Makeup Shayla Cream Luxe lipstick in the shade Quickie. It's kind of dirty because I already had some gloss on it, I think, but whatever. Just putting that by smushing my lips together. And now we're going to go in with this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Hot Chocolate. This smells so good. Oh yeah. This is a new fave. For sure! A new, ooh, 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 ooh! Oh, I can't wait to do another lip combo video with y'all because y'all. And it smells amazing. Not like hot chocolate. It smells like the first gloss bomb. Besides my lashes acting real stubborn because I need to bust out a new pair and start reusing these, this look came out really cute. It's very chocolatey, very fall and wintry, and then it's easy. Like, it's no shimmer, so your face is fully matte. Speaking of, I need to put on some setting spray because I did not do that during the break. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I forgot to mention too that I did line my waterline with this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil in the shade Pretty Mink. So I lined that. So guys, this is the final look. Thanks guys so much for tuning into this video. If you did like it, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe, all that jazz. And you know, while you're here, you might as well check out another video. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one.